What is this, a Subaru? Mazda? Oh. So it's not a cross track. So he's gonna try and use the excavator to pull the car forward with a strap, because you can't get the excavator or anything past it because it's completely blocking the road. So he was parked right here, and then he tried to back out, but then just slid down the hill sideways because it's so slippery, the snow packed down. What do you think, David?
I'm gonna try and stand on the excavator while it's going.
That was entertaining. And the excavator saves the day once again. Woo! Great purchase, David. Great purchase.
Great purchase.
I would totally buy another one.
I want two at least, in case one breaks.